So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to install the Wikipedia plugin here on ChatGPT. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT, and then once you're here, go to the top left and start a new chat. Once you start a new chat, I want you to go to the top left as well and then press on the version of your ChatGPT. So for me, it says ChatGPT version 4. If you go ahead and press on this, you can change it to 3.5. But what we want to do here is go to the plugins tab right here, check that, then go to the top left again where it says no plugins installed, press on that, then scroll down to where it says the plugin store. Now, once you're into the plugin store, what you can also do is go to the search bar and then search up Wikipedia if you want. Or what else you can do is go to this third option right here, the third page to where it says Wikipedia right here. Ask questions about general knowledge, current events, and breaking news. And it'll use Wikipedia to its advantage. We're going to go ahead here and press on install. Now what it's going to do is actually take a couple seconds to install this into your ChatGPT. Once that is done, it should say uninstall right here in gray. Press on X, go to the top left to where this Wikipedia logo is. Press on that and make sure that the Wikipedia plugin is enabled. As I mentioned before, ask questions about general knowledge, current events, and breaking news, and get up-to-date answers from Wikipedia. So once that is done, you've now successfully installed the Wikipedia plugin here on ChatGPT. So thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.